Isa lang ATM dito sa loob, so naubusan kami ng cash. So wala kaming cash papunta. So lesson learned, mag-withdraw na before pa pumasok sa may immigration. Boarding time. Kailangan natin kunin ang ating SIM card. Use my Klook code, guys, for 5% off. Dito ako sa Krung Thai Bank nag-withdraw ng pera. We're staying sa Pratunam City Inn Hotel. Very decent yung place. Then this is the bathroom. Okay na. Let's try some 7-Eleven food here in Bangkok. I'll be getting both. This is the stir-fried soy sauce noodles with pork, and then chicken with yellow curry rice. I'll get this one. Usual curry. Kaya luto lang sa bahay. That's all. See you tomorrow.
Morning. It's 7:26 a.m. First day in Bangkok.
We're now on our way to Ancient City and Erawan Museum. Mag-MTR lang kami. Welcome to the Philippines! So, oh my gosh! Ano naman tatawid? Ganito yung ticket nila, parang token lang. Kaya tayo. BTS line pa lang. Kaya tayo. Kaya? Yes. Kapon ka. Thank you. From Kayatay, transfer lang to the BTS line, tapos going to Keha, papuntang Ancient City. Around 62 baht lang siya, tapos 27 stations pa yung dadaanan niya. So, super sulit na rin, tapos you can save a lot of time kasi mabilis lang naman siya. Ito yung tsura ng BTS line nila. We're now here sa may Keha station. Medyo malamig yung hangin, it's giving Tagaytay. Baka kasi maaga pa. Hindi ko in-expect na malamig siya. Tapos mag-ride lang ng shuttle going to Ancient City. Mura lang siya. Nag-book na kami ng ticket via Klook. So, you can use my code Riwa Morales Klook for discount, for 5% discount. Ito yung map ng Ancient City. Tapos, pwede ka mag-avail ng golf cart for 350 baht. Tapos, per succeeding hour is 200 baht. So, medyo pricey siya.
Kasi per hour.
May bikes na available for 150 baht. Tapos whole day na yun.
Ito ng mga Thai costume rental.
Naglalakad lang kami dahil kami ay tipid.
And then ito pa yung isa.
And this one, isa to sa mga recommended place nila. It's the Old Market Town.
Merong mga souvenir. Labubu! May crybaby din. So nice. This is the Golden Temple. Hindi ko alam kung yun talaga yung name niya, pero it's gold. So nice. You have to leave your slippers to be able to go inside.
Nandito yung elephants, pero you have to pay to get the photo.
We're gonna get our free lunch here sa Pavilion 2 restaurant. Sure ba ito?
Yeah. I'll show you all the food options here sa buffet area.
Sausage. This one, braised pork leg. Then stir fried with tea. Macaroni with seafood. Fried rice with vegetables and egg. I'll get that. And fruits also. Then they have soup. Hot and spicy soup.
Meron chicken nila.
So available yung mga food sa labas. Hi, can I have one please? Teka. Thank you. Mga nasa boat. Kasama rin siya. Stir fried dog thighs. Additional thighs. Can I have one please? Thank you. I have sweet potato also. Fish ball. Thank you.
This will be our last stop here sa Ancient City. Ito yung pinakasikat na photo area. I think we're done now with the Ancient City. Super laki ng Ancient City, pero I think okay na kami sa mga napuntahan namin. And also, I think you wouldn't miss a lot kapag di ka pumunta dito. But if you wanna go, let it go. But yeah, we're heading na to Erawan Museum. Going to Erawan Museum, I think meron din sa Klook na shuttle na you can avail going from Ancient City to Erawan Museum. Pero kami, ang in-avail kasi namin, yung may kasama ng lunch buffet. We're now here sa Erawan Museum. Nag-bolt na lang kami going here kasi pagod na rin. So, mabilis lang naman biyahe and mura lang. Parang we paid 186 lang for the food.
Cute naman. So, basement level nila yung Suvarnabhumi. Tapos, Earth. Tapos, Buddhism Cosmology yung Cosmos. Ang galing. Erawan Museum is famous for the big elephant. And also for their pink museum.
There's so many elephants here. Super init na dito. It's currently 2:07. I'm trying to go inside. You have to take off your slippers or your shoes again bago pumasok.
So nice.
Grabe yung details ng place dito. It's so nice. Tatakot ako umakyat. Just because taas niya. Tapos tumutunog yung stairs. Medyo natatakot ako. But it's pretty here. Especially the glass ceiling. Tapos meron pa siyang taas ulit. Super taas niya pala. Parang ayaw pa nang tumuloy. We have Buddhas here na 8th century pa. Super old na. That's why this is called Cosmos, the pinaka top level. It's because of the constellations it has.
May elevator na available, pero yung second floor, hanggang second floor lang din siya. View niya from taas. So nice. Hi, BTS station.
BTS station.
Yes.
You go by ticket. 30 baht.
30 baht?
So, BTS. Yeah.
No, if we walk, where do we go?
1 kilo.
There?
Yeah.
Alright, thank you! Maglalakad na kami going to the BTS line, pabalik ng hotel, to freshen up, rest for a while, tapos labas ulit. 5-minute walk lang naman from Erawan Museum to Chang Erawan Station. Meron kami nakitang coffee shop along the way. Floor Fun yung name niya. Hi, can I have one cloud and the brown? Friendly space. It's gonna be a bright, sunshiny day. I like it. This one? Yes, ice. Yes. Pagka... Thank you. Kapag ka... Ngayon pa kami nakita ng bilihan ng coffee and snacks. Tabi lang. So, try natin. I got the Nescafe coffee. Sarap. Lahat ng Nescafe. Pabalik na kami ng Phaya Thai. We're now here sa Jodd Fair. Nag-bolt na lang kami going here kasi ang mahal ng tuk-tuk from our place. Meron ding foot massage. Jodd Fair, Ramanine. They have clothes. Parang cute ng polo. Moping. I got Moping. It's their famous grilled pork, I think, here in Thailand. I got this for 100 baht. Pero may nakita akong may nakita akong 15 baht each. Nakakainis. I'll try also the longan juice. One longan juice. Longan juice. Favorite ata ni David Kison yung longan juice here sa Thailand. So, tatry natin. I also got Moping. Salted egg pad thai. Parang siyang gulaman. Hindi ko alam kung paano siya i-describe. Parang first time ko lang din kumain ng longan. So, yeah. Moping, parang siyang lasang longganisa. We're now gonna transfer to One Ratchada. Maglalakad lang kami going there. It's 19-minute walk from here lang. Pambababa rin ang kinain. Mas chill dito, mas relax kasi wala masyadong tao. Hey, cute! 250. Maraming polo selection here for men, pero if hindi ka fan ng mga loud prints, baka di mo magustuhan. Parang wala masyadong mabibili here sa One Ratchada. Maybe because it's a Friday and mali kami ng araw na pinuntahan to. But yeah, parang onti ng options. I'll get this for my team para may keychain kami lahat. Cute!